Got some really exciting stuff going on. We're actually in the process of launching. We're been in the testing phase, and we're looking at launching this out into our system full speed ahead. So, what is it? What we're doing is we're um, adding the capability of having an AI assistant, aka chatbot, um, but driven with AI, right? So, really, really powerful, and use case, or the benefits of having something like this are just incredible. Some of the things that we foresee that would happen is, with somebody utilizing this, they'd be able to increase their sales appointments, drive more phone calls to their business, or basically cut no shows in half because of the ability to follow up with leads and customers and nurture them. At the end of the day, it's about capturing leads, nurturing those leads, and then ultimately inviting them to an appointment where you can close them out for sales appointments, right? So, and then there's much, much more. So, I just want to demonstrate because um, it's a lot easier to understand some of these. You actually see it happen and see it play out. So, what we developed, what we haven't, our developers, what we've put together is a bot trial where you can like actually train the bot, train the assistant, right? And then um, see it work, right? So I'm just going to throw in a couple questions, like some real world questions that we might see. Like if you would, for instance, like our website, Sermo Suite, right? So sermosuite.com, right? Well, on our website, we have like a chat with phone number and email and a message conversation where you can people that come to your website, in this case our website, we can have a conversation back and forth, right? And that's usually done manually. Like our system allows you to, when people text message and then questions, but process where you still have the chat bot, but now you have an AI assistant that's able to kind of, when you're ready, you can jump in. If you are and the phone rings, right? And, you're not always able to just stop what you're doing to go all coming in, and you're not able to system. We're able to automate missed call text back, where if someone calls and you're not able to pick up and they hang up, then the system will text them back and ask them if help them. Um, we can help you with, and then let's say I'm a customer and I go to the website and say, "Hello, I am looking for help," and then so the way it analyzes what was said, and then it comes back with a response. And these response, let's just read it. So it says, "Of course, I'm here to help you. What specifically do you need assistance with?" Right. So it's asking now a clarification question. It addresses them saying yes in a positive, and then clarifying question, "What do you need help with?" I'm going to go ahead and do a thumbs up because that's a good response. So then follow up with could be, "I would like help with my website," for an example, right? So they put that in, they answer, and then the assistant analyzes that and comes back, says, "I can definitely assist you with your website. Can you please provide me with more details about what kind of help you need? Are you looking for assistance with design, development, or any specific functionality. Let's say they don't know, right? So we'll just say, I don't know. Here's a question that might get asked. What is your price, right? All right, so we'll see what they say here, right? Now, a lot of this I've already trained and programmed through our system, through our site, but the responses will be different based on what your. So for this response, based on how I programmed it for our price of our services, the cost of our services can vary depending on your specific needs and requirements. To get an accurate pricing, it would be best to book an appointment so that we can discuss your website requirements in detail. Now, I will say this, that I've trained this assistant to be able to default to suggesting to book an appointment, right? Again, at the end of the day, it's about capturing, nurturing, and then closing or setting up that person like an appointment, right? So let's say they agree to it, and then watch what the system does. Okay, perfect. Please use this link to book an appointment, right? And it sends them my calendar link. So literally the link to my calendar to book an appointment, right? So let's just look at this link real quick. I'll paste it so you can see what that looks like. Boom. So here's my calendar. Now that person can go and book in their appointment, book in their time, the time that works for them. And literally, this whole conversation can happen without me even having to lift a finger, right? Unless I wanted to. Now, of course, you want to be able to, when you have an opportunity, go in and follow up. But the power of that already kind of started that, gain that rapport with your lead, and has nurtured that person to the point to where they're agreeing to book an appointment, right? So really, really powerful. A lot of use cases, really awesome use cases for this. And I tell you what, this is going to be amazing. I'm going to be doing, if you want to know more about this, I'm going to be doing a live webinar this month. Like later on this month, I'm going to be doing a live webinar where I'm going to actually go more in depth on the system and our strategy and our tools and resources and our services that are looking to, really step up their game when it comes to their digital and close more deals, right? So if you're interested, you want to check out our live month on the 24th, October 24th. And I'm going to just give a deep dive. I'm going to show you guys how to use these no code tools to automate your appointment processes and how to get more leads and close more deals. So listen, if you want to take advantage of that, there'll be a link in the comment section. Go ahead and click on that link, get yourself registered. That way you're locked in and you get the access. This is only going to be on Zoom, right? So you're going to need to register so that you get the access to the live webinar. All right. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys got something out of this. Like I said, register for the live webinar. It's free. And I'm going to share with you some really awesome tools and strategies to help you with your business. So Philip Williams signing off, Sermo Suite, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.